One of Fujifilm's most successful efforts in the fixed-lens camera market has been the X100V, which has received high praise from reviewers for its superb image quality and easy handling. Many people are eager for its arrival this year as the anticipation for its replacement has been growing. Unfortunately, we do have some information that may disappoint a lot of fans of Fujifilm. So, when will the Fujifilm X100V be available to purchase? Let's dive into the video. According to many reports, Fujifilm's X100V camera has achieved remarkable success based on its impressive sales numbers and the fact that it has had a month-long order backlog. However, this success seems to be causing some challenges for the Japanese camera company. The X100V has consistently been in high demand, leading to significant shipment delays even after its initial release. The backlog has become so severe that BH Photo has decided to suspend orders for the X100V until further notice. Earlier, it was reported that Fujifilm was facing difficulties due to a shortage of parts, specifically semiconductors, which had an impact on the production of camera bodies and lenses. This suggests that the semiconductor shortages primarily affect processor and integrated circuit production rather than sensor manufacturing, which could be the reason why buyers of the X-T5 camera model have not experienced the same delays. Now, as per Fuji rumors, Fujifilm is expected to unveil the successor to the X100V camera in early 2024.
Want to earn money? You have no idea about trading? No problem. Here is Hilton Meta FX. If we are talking about benefits, you can earn profit 1 to 3% with AlgoBot Daily and 2 to 5% with Superbot. Not only that, you can earn 10% from direct refer and 80% from team generation income. At last, you can earn royalty income also. Here is the team level bonus. This is rank and monthly income. Royalty income. Why your invest is secure here. You can withdraw your invested amount anytime. You can withdraw your earning money 24/7. Your investment and profit will be deposited into your Meta MT5 wallet. Many people are earning here a huge amount of money. Here you can see all proofs here. Still afraid? For more details, join our WhatsApp group. Link is given in the description box. And I have given my Hilton Meta link in the description also.
We are anticipating significant improvements in this new model compared to its predecessor. Historically, Fujifilm has maintained a release cadence of approximately 3 years, which could have meant a potential announcement for the X100V successor in September. However, the ongoing production delays with the X100V may cause the announcement of the new model to be postponed significantly. Additionally, the impact of the pandemic on the industry over the past years may have also played a role in delaying the announcement of the new X100 camera, irrespective of the existing supply chain challenges with the current generation cameras. One thing to understand is that the primary reason many individuals have not considered purchasing an X100 series camera is due to the lack of image stabilization. There are two methods for achieving stabilization in cameras: in-body image stabilization or in-lens stabilization. In this case, in-body or IBIS for short is not necessary, since the X100 series cameras have fixed lenses and stabilization can be implemented in each lens individually. Numerous fixed lens cameras such as the Sony RX100 series and Leica or Panasonic Deluxe series feature inland stabilization, which also contributes to making the cameras more compact. Despite user demand for stabilization in the X100 series, Fujifilm has been adamant in refusing to include this feature. Sometimes when a false idea takes hold within a management team and is supported by influential individuals in the organization, progress in certain areas can be hindered. If Fujifilm eventually introduces stabilization to the X100 series, it may not be celebrated as a new feature but rather seen as a long overdue and regrettable decision. So, are you excited about the upcoming Fujifilm X100V successor? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And do subscribe to our channel for more content like this on your feed. As always, thanks for watching.